To become a digital marketing master, you can start by doing the following. Understand the basics of digital marketing, including the different channels and tools available, such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. Develop a strong understanding of data analysis and metrics, including how to use tools such as Google Analytics to track and measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Learn about customer behavior and how to target specific audiences through segmentation and personalization. Stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in digital marketing by reading industry blogs, attending conferences and webinars, and joining online communities. Get hands-on experience by creating and managing your own digital marketing campaigns, or by participating in an internship or apprenticeship program. Consider pursuing a certification or degree in digital marketing to further your education and skills. Continuously learning and experimenting new strategies and tactics to improve your skills. Keep in mind that digital marketing is an ever-evolving field, and to truly become a master you need to keep learning and experimenting with new strategies and tactics. Let's start with SEO, search engine optimization. Number 1. Keyword research. Identify keywords relevant to your business/website and analyze their search volume and competition. Number 2. On-page optimization. Optimize content, meta tags, images, and website structure for the targeted keyword. Number 3. Content creation. Create high-quality, keyword-rich content for your website to attract and retain visitors. Number 4. Link building. Acquire high-quality inbound links from other relevant websites to improve your website's authority and search rankings. Number 5. Technical SEO. Ensure your website is technically sound and follows best practices, such as mobile friendliness, page speed, and crawlability. Number 6. Analytics and reporting. Use tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic and monitor the success of your SEO efforts. Number 7. Continuous improvement. Regularly update your website with fresh content and optimize it based on the latest best practices to maintain and improve your search rankings. PPC, pay-per-click, is a digital advertising model that involves paying for each click on an advertisement. Here is a step-by-step guide to PPC. Number 1. Define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach and what are their needs and interests? Number 2. Choose your keywords. Research and select the keywords that will trigger your ads to appear when people search for related terms. Number 3. Set your budget. Determine how much you are willing to spend on PPC advertising per day or per campaign. Number 4. Create ad groups. Organize your keywords into ad groups based on their relevance and create a unique ad for each group. Number 5. Write effective ads. Your ads should be clear, concise, and relevant to your target audience. Number 6. Choose your landing page. Decide on the page on your website that you want to send people to after they click your ad. Number 7. Launch your campaign. Use a platform like Google Ads or Bing Ads to launch and manage your PPC campaign. Number 8. Monitor and optimize. Regularly check your campaign's performance, adjust bids, and optimize your ads for better results. Number 9. Repeat and scale. Repeat the process, scale your campaign, and adjust your strategy as necessary to achieve your advertising goals. Social media marketing, SMM, also known as digital marketing and e-marketing, is the use of social networks and share information to build a company's brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. Number 1. Define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach and what are their interests, needs, and pain points? Number 2. Choose your platforms. Decide which social media platforms are most relevant to your target audience and align with your goals and brand. Number 3. Develop a content strategy. Plan your content creation, distribution, and promotion, including the types of content you will create, the frequency of your posts, and the tone of your voice. Number 4. Create and publish content. Create compelling and relevant content, such as photos, videos, infographics, and blog posts, and publish it on your chosen social media platforms. Number 5. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and messages, share user-generated content, and interact with your followers to build a community and increase engagement. Number 6. Promote your content. Use paid advertising, such as promoted posts or social media ads, to reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your website. Number 7. Measure and analyze. Track your social media results, including likes, comments, shares, and conversions, and use the data to improve your strategy. Number 8. Repeat and evolve. Continue to create and share valuable content, test new ideas, and refine your strategy to achieve your social media marketing goals. Number 9. Integrate with other marketing efforts. Align your social media marketing with your overall marketing strategy and integrate it with your other marketing efforts, such as email marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. Email marketing is a direct marketing approach that involves sending commercial messages to a group of people through email. Here is a step-by-step guide to email marketing. Number 1. Build an email list. Collect email addresses from customers, subscribers, and prospects through sign-ups or opt-ins. Number 2. Segment your list. Divide your email list into smaller groups based on common characteristics such as demographics or behavior. Number 3. Create an email marketing plan. Define your goals, target audience, and the types of emails you will send, such as newsletters, promotions, or surveys. Number 4. Develop a content strategy. Decide on the topics, themes, and tone of your emails, and determine the frequency of your campaigns. Number 5. Design your emails. Choose a template, color scheme, and layout that align with your brand and create eye-catching subject lines. Number 6. Write compelling content. Write content that is relevant, valuable, and engaging to your subscribers, and include a clear call to action. Number 7. Test and optimize. Send test emails to yourself or a small group, and use data and feedback to refine and improve your email campaigns. Number 8. Launch your campaign. Use an email marketing platform like MailChimp, Constant Contact, or Campaign Monitor to send your emails and track results. Number 9. Monitor and analyze. Regularly review your email campaign's performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, and make adjustments as needed. Number 10. Repeat and evolve. Continue to send regular email campaigns, test new ideas, and evolve your strategy to keep your email marketing efforts fresh and effective. Content marketing is a strategic approach to creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience and ultimately drive profitable customer action. Here is a step-by-step guide to content market. Number 1. Define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach and what are their needs, interests, and pain points? Number 2. Identify your goals. What do you want to achieve with your content marketing, such as increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or improving customer loyalty? Number 3. Conduct a content audit. Review your existing content to see what's working and what's not, and identify opportunities for improvement. Number 4. Develop a content strategy. Plan your content creation, distribution, and promotion, including the types of content you will create, the channels you will use, and the frequency of your campaigns. Number 5. Create valuable content. Write, design, or produce content that is relevant, engaging, and valuable to your target audience, and aligns with your goals and brand. Number 6. Distribute and promote your content. Share your content through various channels, including your website, social media, email, and paid advertising, and encourage engagement and shares. Number 7. Measure and analyze. Track and measure your content marketing results, including views, engagement, leads, and conversions, and use the data to improve your strategy. Number 8. Repeat and evolve. Continue to create and share valuable content, test new ideas, and refine your strategy to achieve your content marketing goals. Number 9. Integrate with other marketing efforts. Align your content marketing with your overall marketing strategy and integrate it with your other marketing efforts, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing.